gonna unbox their cosmetic gifts. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, yesterday we had our Thanksgiving service like a post marriage here at Bangalore, and we are like, look at this, what can I say, how do I say, like so thankful for all these gifts. We didn't expect any of this, and we're very grateful. So leaving aside all that, I'm really excited to open. So yeah, come, let's check out, guys. I'm opening the gifts. I'm not gonna say the names and all. The names will be personal for us, so I know you'll understand that. So yeah guys, before anything guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so we can all connect. And yes, let's start. Ta-da! First gift. I'm too clumsy, I might cut off some. So what's this? Ooh, very nice. This is cushion cover. Wow, pretty. Thank you so much. Wow. Next. Wait. Okay, it's a little bit open. Okay, I'm gonna dump the wrappers down here. What is this, guys? Wow. Oh, it's a bed sheet. I mean, Yana. Bed sheet with pillow cover set. Look at it, so pretty. It's navy blue in color. Wow. I think it's hand painted. Yeah, it's hand painted, bro. So nice. Wow, we're gonna use it, but we are not sure if we're gonna use it or we'll keep it as a souvenir. We're gonna cherish this. So what is this? This is wait. Dun. So cute. Thank you. Okay, so this is a plant. Look at this. So thoughtful. Thank you so much. Next thing, guys. Thank you, whoever gifted this. I'm also new at all this. Oh, see this. So we have to use it like this. Next is this one. For him and for her. Nice. Wait, my leg is itchy. Next things next. Wow. My utmost for His Highness Oswald Chambers. It's a beautiful book. Thank you so much. We're gonna read it. Next things next. Beautiful, wonderful say. Thank you so much. Next is this. Thank you. This. Wait, I just opened one of them. Oh, it's a glass. It's a mug. Thank you. It's so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, look at this. It's a plate. So pretty. Pretty. इसकी नीचे में भी है. Oh, look at this. Nice. Thank you so much. Next. Excited? You guys enjoying? I'm enjoying. I know it's a little bit boring when I'm opening, but that's how it is. Uy. Oh, look at this. It looks like the matka cup. Thank you. Next is this. Ay, oi. Okay, so this is what's in here, guys. Dun, da-da. Next. Wow. Dun, da-da. So pretty. Next. Wait, what's this? Wait, so nice. It's a showpiece. Wow, thank you. So pretty. Next. I'm not doing justice while opening because I want to wrap it up soon. Ooh. Same. Ooh, thank you. Nice, you're gonna listen to music. Ooh. Wow. Thank you so much. I'm gonna have noodles, salads here. Hey. Santa. Wait. When I don't know, okay. Oh. Wow. Look at the color first. There are 3 pieces here. Okay. And actually, let me show you what this is. Crazy. So thoughtful. So this is gonna be like this. I'm not gonna take out everything. This is gonna be like this. Wow. Once I arrange it, maybe on my videos, I'm gonna show you that time key. This is the one. Next. Thank you, thank you. Oh, needed. Oh, thank you. Gonna use this for so many things. Okay. Fancy. Nice. Thank you so much. So pretty. Next. Ta-da! Ooh. Wow. The Lord will bless his people with peace. Psalms 29:11. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. We're gonna keep it in our common room, the living room, so we can, when people enter, no, they will say this. Next. Oh, see this. Damn. I thought of not opening, but I'm gonna use this. So I'm like, let me open. Thought of keeping it nicely, but this is gonna be very useful. Thank you so much. Oh, see, nice. It's a set of 3. Wow, it has a bag. Cool. Snacks. Oi. Wow. You keep like this, if I'm not wrong. And ये है ना, वो इसके अंदर में डालना है. इसका. Oh, so pretty, no? It's gonna be so useful. Oh, thank you. Nice. Wow. Wow, one is this. And the other one is this. Oi, nice. So pretty. Thank you. Next. Okay, this also mug. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. So nice. Thank you so much. Next. Let's open it. Ooh la la, what is this? Whoa, I think it's a vase, no? So pretty. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Nice. Next. Oh, it's... Wow, so pretty, no guys? Thank you so much. So nice. Wow. Oh, it's a pretty bed sheet. This is gonna be the design of the bed sheet. When I'm using, no, I'll take out, I'll use it, and then I'll show you guys, okay? For now, I'm keeping it like that. Thank you so much. Winnie and me, we're gonna use this. It's gonna make our room look very beautiful. Oh, the finale. Ooh, let's open it. Alright. Damn, so pretty. Oi. Damn. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much. Wow, Didi, Didi, Didi. Wow, wow, wow. Jiju, Jiju. Oi. This is also Moko para. Taran, taran. Wow. So pretty. So nice. I'm going, guys. Coming with me. So nice. So pretty. Okay, no fightings over here. This is Winnie, this is me. So I guess that's the end of unboxing. And yes, thank you so much, church, family members, everyone, for gifting us all these very thoughtful presents. We're gonna use it in our daily life. Big thank you from both of us and all our family. Do no? Now have your food. Food you want? Missy love plants. Guys, this is how we have set it. The gift, which I said I'll be showing you guys later. So yeah, so pretty. Thank you. This is also one of the gift from our family friend, and yeah, so pretty and so thoughtful. Look at this. She did every detailing by taking out the pictures from our YouTube video and Instagram. So thankful. Thank you so much once again. So guys, we are going.
Thank you. Thank you for all the gifts.
Oy, Papa. Thank you guys. So thank you all so much for watching till the end. Bye guys. See you in the next video.
Thank you.
Da-da-da. See you in the next video.